There's just something about being on the water. You just get this rush of adrenaline. Everything happens in slow motion. It makes me feel so focused and excited. I can't think of anything else when I'm out in the water.
So foraging for me is about remembering our place in nature. For too long now, man has kind of separated itself from nature, and by getting into foraging, you start to become part of nature again.